Hi, in this video we are going to set up PHP programming environment. This is the fourth video about xampp installation. This is a list of suggestions how you should use this video. The notes for this video can be found on this web page. The URL is here, it is case sensitive. And in the last video what we did was we created a simple PHP test file. It is loaded here, and the URL for this place is that, okay, localhost test, and it is in xampp htdocs test in your C drive. Now we are going to create a very simple HTML document, so I'm going to do a right click, new, text document, and I'm going to call this text document eg001 underscore basic dot htm. It is going to be a HTML document. Are you sure? Yes. And then I'm going to right click, edit with Notepad++, and I'm going to type a very simple, quickly type a very simple HTML document. Okay, it's a very simple hello world. So Control S to save. And if we want to load it in Apache web server, we have to go through the localhost, but we can always just look at it from local, so I can just double click on it. And you see that you are using this file C drive protocol, then you are looking at this file local. Seems like it's working locally. Before we load this using the localhost web server, we should probably go and validate it to see if this file contains any error. So I'm going to go to W3C markup validator. There's a link here, and quickly validate by file upload, browse, C drive, xampp htdocs test htm. You can only validate a HTML file here, so I'm going to validate this. You should have, oh, I have an error. Okay, title must not be empty, so now is a good place to fix the error. So I'm going to right click here, edit with Notepad++ again, and give it a title. Of course, how can we forget our title, right? So we say Richard. So we need to give a meaningful title to this, since we are going to test PHP page. So we're going to change the title to Richard Ricardo Basic PHP. Control S to save. Close this, and let's validate again. I have to, you can browse here, or you can go back and go to this page and browse again. You should have no error or warning. Okay, and you can always double click to see this. This is what you want. The title is here. Okay, no error. Very good. So now let's serve this page from Apache web server. You have to type the link here, okay, and type the whole URL. You can directly type in the URL, or you can actually go to here to see that basic is already there. So you click on the basic, you can see a hello world being served from a web server, which is different from viewing it locally, because when you view it locally, you see the file C drive protocol. Actually, it did not go through a web server. Okay, so this way it actually goes through a web server. All right, I think it's a good place to stop this example. In the next video, we are going to look at how to create alias for Apache web server on the which is running on the XAMPP, of course. Thanks for watching.